Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Agya Amadya, and in this video I am going to show you my first project on Quarky. Are you excited? Let's start. PictoBlox. Now I will go to board and choose Quarky. Now I will connect it. Okay, let's start coding. First, I will choose green flag. Then I will choose sensor because Quarky has two sensors, left sensor and right sensor. I will write 12 on right each. Now I will go to robot and choose set parameter. F means forward. I will put forward 35, left 40 and right 10. Then I will go to control and choose forever. Then I will again go to robot and choose do line following. Then I will go to display and I will put it inside do line following. Then I will delete this all and I will choose red and I will make ST. That means stop. And I will put stop robo. I use display matrix as ST. When Quarky goes near cross line, it stops. Now it is ready to test. I will click green flag. Now you can see the Quarky is following the black line. When the Quarky reaches to the cross line, it will stop, displaying as ST. Thank you for watching my first project, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.